to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are trying to silence ringing alarm bell with our press. This is regular alarm bell, traditional, made out of stamped steel. Let's see. Let's try this method. Yeah, the clock doesn't ring anymore and it looks a bit like Mickey Mouse. Except that it's quite quite thin for a clock or Mickey Mouse. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. For today's extra content we have this big-eyed monster fish. It is as dangerous as shark and we must destroy it.